Why am I making that so hard? I don't know. Hey everybody and Happy New Year. Today's video we are unboxing our IPSY Extra, finally remember the name, formerly known as BoxyCharm. Now I will say huge apologies to IPSY. They got this over to me late December. Like, your girl's kind of been sitting on it. I kind of took a little fam bam vacation and spent a lot of time with my family, and I am back and I'm filming and we are now going to be unboxing. So big thank you to IPSY for sending this over to me and PR, gifting it to me to unbox for you all. If you are interested in signing up for IPSY Extra, I will have an affiliate link down in the description box for you all. Now, when it comes to the IPSY Extra, this is a monthly subscription that you will get to customize 3 out of the 5 items in here, and it's typically based off of the little like quiz and everything that you fill out with IPSY. Now, because they gifted this to me, they customized it to however they felt to customize it to. Why am I making that so hard? I don't know. Alright, let's go ahead and open it. It actually has a good amount of weight to it. Alright, so let's see how we're starting the first of the year with IPSY. Starting off with no foam. I see 0 foam. You guys know I'm a foam hoe. Alright, I do be liking the foam in my subscription box. So we do have the year of yes. The 1st through the 3rd is when you get in there and you customize. So customization has already since passed, but be ready February 1 to go ahead and customize your box. Now, the first thing I am seeing in here is a hydrating dewy gel cream with hyaluronic acid and ceramides by First Aid Beauty. Okay, this I can get down with. I really like First Aid Beauty products. I know my youngest and my oldest also really like First Aid Beauty products too, because it is safe for sensitive skin, and it is also has no artificial fragrance. I know if you guys are not into fragrances in your skincare, definitely check out and look into First Aid Beauty because they are great about not putting in fragrance. So love that. Now, we do get full-size products in this box. I haven't seen Galactic, I feel like, in a hot minute, but I feel like Galactic was a brand that we used to see all the time in IPSY, right? So we've got the Essential Volume 2 palette. You know I like when there's a mixture of stuff in here. Oh, this is cute. What? Okay, there's a palette this reminds me of, and I can't think of, is it by ColourPop, maybe? Very pretty, very pastel-y, very much giving to me, perfect going into spring. Now, you know me, I cover up the pops of colors, and I'm like, yep, yeah, it'll work for me. I'm basic, I like it. It looks like the whole top row is all the mattes, and then on the bottom we have all the shimmers. Very pretty in color, and I have to say I appreciate the way that they did lay out this palette, because I feel like if you just wanted to do 2 and 2 and 2 and 2 and 2, it's like perfectly set up for that. So I do really like that. This is very much giving me like the Charlotte Tilbury vibes as far as those colors go, like very pillow talky. So I do like that. That is very pretty. Next in here we have, I thought it was Rare Beauty. It is not. It's Delish. It is a lip balm in the name. Sacha? Oh, it's a squeezy tube. Let's try her out. Oh, I like the color. It's a little bit of a tint of a color, which is really nice. I don't smell anything. And it does have a little bit of opacity to it. Not much, but it does have a little bit. And I love how glossy and juicy this is without being like, you know, stringy. Words are a struggle. Next in here we have the Aceology Multivitamin Brightening Biodegradable Mask. It illuminates, exfoliates, and strengthens. How many do we have in here? Oh goodness, we have 4 sheet masks in here. Alright, so there we go. I want to say, do these come in pink? Because I feel like I have it and have used them in pink. I don't know. Okay, I got perimenopause brain. Alright, so there's that. Alright, the last thing in here, this is another new brand to me. Is it Coffee? I don't flippin' know. It's mascara. It smells like a mascara. I feel like my oldest is really going to like this mascara. It has like a ball on the bottom where you can really like, just like that. And it's not going to work for you unless you make those noises. Replay that one, Haley. So I'll keep you posted or something on that. You know me, when it comes to my mascara wands, let me show you the kind of wands that I like. This is literally from Shein, and I really like these kind of wands because I feel like it hugs everything. So when I see ones like this, it reminds me of a tubing type of mascara, which I don't even think this is a tubing mascara. But I think that is like my first thought of when I saw the wand and saying like, oh, I think my oldest would really like this because she's really into like the tubing wands and everything. So I don't know. Let me know if you guys have tried this one out. It said it's a Baddie Lash Mascara. And I guess it's going to give you a little bit of volume. We'll see. I don't know. I don't know. So that is everything in my IPSY Extra. I don't know if it's because I'm hungry. So I'm a little hangry. I don't think I'm too hangry. But I'm definitely craving my food right now, so I'm going to go eat lunch. So here's what I will say. I'm hard to please sometimes. I think that the color story is very pretty on this. I do like that I did get a mix of makeup and skincare. I kind of low-key would have been really ecstatic to take away the mascara and put in a dry shampoo or something, or a hair mask or something. So for me, I will use all of the products in here. Probably not the mascara. I don't know because I have stock of mascara right now. But I can't say I'm like, ah! But I can't say I'm like, I'm pleasantly surprised. How about that? So anyways, like I said, if you are interested in picking up a IPSY bag or the IPSY Extra box, or even, I don't even know what the third one is called, where it's quarterly. I forget. Okay, it's gone like a fart in the wind. Okay, I don't know what you guys are expecting here. Professionalism, I will fail you. I will fail you on that. So there's 3 boxes to choose from. One is like fun size samples. One, which is this one, is full size samples, and it is monthly also. And then the third one is a quarterly box, where you get 8 items to customize. So do with that information what you will, and if you want to use that information, there will be a link in the description box. So thank you guys bunches for watching. I greatly appreciate you guys coming back and being here, sharing my video over on Facebook if you want to. If you are curious to follow me on my health and wellness journey, I am in school for functional medicine. I would be loving to have you guys over on my other channel, Hotmess in the House. If you're into fashion content and you like my sweater, it's actually from a local boutique to me called Willow Boutique. I will actually link it for y'all down below. My earrings are actually from Quince. These are things that I get questions on, so I will try and link this stuff for you all. And thank you guys bunches for being here. Until next time, friends, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.
Keep it cool with you. I feel like breaking rules on the edge, looking out with no parachute.